Now before you start drawing, it's really important to choose the right units to work in. Because if you choose a unit that a laborer or a site engineer is not used to, then it will create a headache for you later on. And ultimately you have to change the units of the entire sheets and resubmit the sheets to the client. So as we are doing a practical AutoCAD course, we will not do this mistake. So let's have a look at the unit system that is mostly used in India. Almost every residential house and small private commercial building construction work follows fit unit system. The laborers, the site engineers and the house owners in India are very familiar with this unit system. As you can see in this measurement tape, a fit consists of 12 inches. And further, each inch is divided into 8 equal parts, and in local labor language terms, each of these 8 equal parts are called as a सूत. That is 1/8 of an inch is equal to 1 सूत. You will hear from laborers saying that साहब एक सूत कम पड़ गया या 2 सूत ज़्यादा हो गया. So the smallest unit that we are going to deal with on such kind of sites is going to be 1 सूत. As professionals, we keep these tapes with us every time we visit a site to cross-check the measurements. I would recommend you to buy one of these tapes. It costs only ₹60. For young engineers, I would recommend try to measure general day-to-day objects of your interest present in your house or any of the construction site. You will learn a lot about the sizing of items through this. Coming back, on the other side, majority of government and high-rise building works nowadays are done in mm scale.